Go ahead, huh?
I take a fat cup full of that life and hold the stressing. Pops told me early to thank him for all my blessings. Hallelujah, still sparking up sessions, another session like it's 420, 24/7, oh heaven. Talking to the clouds, bet you think a nigga crazy. Smoking on that loud like my blunt full of babies. Stink so good when you mash that up. Pass that shit and remember your puffs. Hoes say love, but they really mean lust. And niggas wanna play, but they can't play us. If I squeeze that, then the thing gon' bust. And y'all can front if you want, cause I'ma go to the trunk. Bring something back that'll change your act, it'll put your back in your front. If it's go hard to go home, I give my mama a last kiss. I get it from my daddy, squeeze hard and don't miss. Some women you wife and other bitches you don't kiss. Some niggas you dap and other niggas you don't diss. Some niggas who rap and other niggas who does this. Bitches wanna lay with me, niggas wanna aim at me. Due to the fact that I'm married monetarily, but I don't give a fuck what's up sincerely. Who run this shit? My clique, my crew. Who the hoes want? My goons, my troops. What I'm gonna stack my chips, my loot. Every day same shit, left hip same too. From the south side, home of the straps and straight weight. Minnesota, Gainesville, take 'em back where the bricks lay. When niggas' only option is cooking to get cake. And chances for survival are slim if you bitch made. Tell them boys gonna loosen they bras and lactate, motherfucker.